the queen herself.
Hello. Thank you so much for coming back to my restaurant. I appreciate it.
Hey, what's up, you guys?
Hello,
and
everyone.
Happy Halloween. As you can
Spooky
tell
time.
behind us, Disneyland is all decked out for the Halloween season. But first things first, we're doing something else special because just opened in New Orleans is Tiana's Palace, a brand new quick service restaurant themed to, well, Tiana's Palace.
Princess and the Frog.
So we're gonna go and try all the goodies over there and just see what else is new around the park.
Yes, let's eat.
We made it, as you can see. We have Tiana's Palace now. There's no mobile orders available, so right now we are just doing the full line. Kind of extends back to the train station at the moment, but we are determined. We want the gumbo. Even though the line is pretty long, it looks like there's still a lot of open tables everywhere, so that is nice. It is nice that they have a space where there's actual enough tables and chairs to eat at. Good job. So they put these balloons up for the opening day, but they're a little deflated now. But we made it to the front. And Tiana's out. She's like a character dining character. I don't know, she walks around tables. Are you excited?
She's the character dining character.
Yeah,
yes,
correct.
I'm very ecstatic. Thank you.
We made it inside. It's so cute in here, but they have a bunch of stuff on the walls. Picture of little Tiana and her dad. Some notes from her customers. She's getting all the good reviews, all the Yelp reviews. Here's more of the menu, and they have little recipe cards for everything with the descriptions of all the food. I'm excited for this coffee. All right, we're finally gonna order. They sent us down to the left here, but right in the front, they have the new ceramic beignet plate you can buy. Comes with a lily pad. And this is where they fill the beignets. So when you order the beignets, they fill them like as you order, I guess. They're right there. And then the filling station with the lemon cream. There she goes. Filling the beignets. Yeah. That looks so good. And if you did want to buy the ceramic plate, it is $34.99, and it comes with the beignet. So you get the plate and the beignet. Otherwise, the beignet is like $5 on its own. It's kind of like a grab and go quick service too. You just like grab the beignet, grab a cornbread, which I do want. And then when you get over here, they'll take your order for the main entree. All right, we have got all of our food. It looks so good. I ended up getting the beef po' boy, the house-filled beignet, the chicory iced coffee, a cornbread, and then Francis also got a beignet, the coffee, and then the 7 greens gumbo with sausage and chicken. So we've got a full meal here, and I'm ready. First things first, we were trying this chicory iced coffee. It's supposed to be a chicory coffee with a sweet cream. Mixing it up so I can get all that cream in there. Cheers. Cheers. Okay. It's cold brew. There's like it tastes mocha-y to me.
It tastes like dark chocolate.
Yeah, like a dark
condensed
chocolate.
milk.
I don't know what chicory is supposed to be. I think it's supposed to be like nutty and woody, but to me it tastes like dark chocolate.
Yeah, it does. Will I have it again?
It's not the best,
Yeah, could be better.
but if you're looking for cold brew in New Orleans, here it is. Because Tiana said so, and the menu said dessert first, we're gonna try our beignets next. Should we cheers the plate?
I think we should cheers the beignet.
Oh, cheers.
Cheers!
Oh, she's dripping.
Oh, this is lemony goodness.
There's so much lemon.
There is so much lemon in here.
It's like a lemon pie donut,
Yeah,
but like a lemon pie beignet.
that is a lot of lemon.
Eat it over the plate though, because
Just like all beignets, they're messy.
the cream dripped on my pants. I have been dripped on. If you guys want to see what the inside looks like, there it is. There's a lot of lemon cream in there. Good morning.
Be on camera.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
We're here to promote your restaurant.
Listen, guess who's
Everyone needs to come over
Guess who's
here.
visiting our table?
Oh my goodness.
The queen herself.
Hello. Thank you so much for coming back
Oh
to
my
my
gosh,
restaurant. I
thanks
just
for
appreciate
having
it.
We haven't tried the food. We started with the beignets because the
Yeah,
menu
the
said
menu
dessert
said
first.
beignets.
Dessert first.
Yes.
Yes. So how are the beignets?
Amazing.
So good.
Stop it
Literally
now, y'all. Y'all just
divine.
making my heart smile so much. I love it.
No, it was so
The lemon was
good.
perfect.
Yes, the right
Yeah.
amount, not too much.
No.
No, not at
I
all.
love it. Well, they're doing amazing. I give them all the recipes, tips and tricks, and they're just running with it. I love it.
Oh my
God.
That's so happy, y'all. Yes, we got some good choices. We got the beef po' boy and the 7 greens gumbo with the chicken and sauce.
Yep.
Exactly.
And I got a side of cornbread because I heard.
You're gonna love the cornbread. I
Yeah.
promise. It's just the beef's meat.
Ah!
So excited. But y'all please enjoy all the food.
Thank
okay?
you.
Here you go. Is that okay?
I'm going to the board, you don't worry. I want to make sure you'll enjoy the food, okay?
Thank you.
Yes, indeed.
Like I told you, she's a character dining character.
The owner herself.
You know the restaurant's good when the owner comes by.
Yeah.
To
At our
check on the
table.
food.
7 greens gumbo with chicken and sausage.
You can get it also if you want a vegetarian gumbo. You can get the 7 greens gumbo without the
protein.
chicken and sausage.
Okay, I guess the girls should eat this.
I heard it has a little kick, so
Yeah, that might be too spicy for you.
for me.
Wow.
Good.
The flavor, I feel like I'm in New Orleans.
Oh.
Miss Tiana, I see what you did here. This is delicious.
Just bringing some culture to Disneyland.
Not culture.
I'm gonna try to get a little bit of chicken, a little bit of sausage. He's flinging it everywhere. Oh, the sausage is really good.
Yeah,
I'm a fan.
me too.
This is like some of the best quick service. Feels like it should be at a full dining.
Don't tell them that. They'll
I know.
increase the prices.
And now I got the beef po' boy. It comes with red beans and rice and some pickled peppers and pickled pickles. And then on the po' boy, there's like tomato and coleslaw. So this beef looks really good.
It looks so hearty.
I don't even know where to start.
Your thoughts?
The beef is really good. I do think it needs kind of a sauce on top. It's a little dry, but there's like the mayo from the coleslaw. But I think like if they had a nice like barbecue Cajun sauce on top, this would be great.
Here we go. Let's see if this is gonna be good. Can I just bite from where you came?
Yeah, it's like hard to get into.
I see what you mean, that it needs more flavoring.
Yeah, the beef is really good, but it needs
Yeah,
like some
it
sort of
needs
salt,
sauce.
some sort of salt seasoning, something.
Cholula? Should we spice it? I'm just kidding.
I think like a Cajun sauce would be like real good.
I think if there was a sauce offering, I would get this again. But I think it's relying heavily on the mayo
Yeah.
to like put an overall flavor.
Yeah,
The meat is good though.
the meat's so
The meat
good.
is good.
And then I have heard the highlight of this dish is surprisingly the pickles. So.
But I didn't know. But then
Ooh.
when we got back to
That is a really pickly sweet pickle. I think because they marinate it with the banana peppers, so the pickle soaked up that banana pepper sweetness. That's a good pickle. And finally, last but not least, we have the cornbread. I like that it's in this like full tin.
in my time, the fake lawyer had sent her that page.
Cheers.
She was like, "Should we put this together for the chat?"
That is a dense cornbread. This is a whole meal in itself. Oh man. Really good though. I like it because I think cornbread can be really dry. Not that dry. Not super moist, but it's like, it's dense enough where it's not that dry. Cornbread time.
Cornbread. Okay. Feels very hefty.
Yeah, it's thick.
It is very dense.
Yeah.
I wish it was a little bit more moist. But
I feel like I've had drier cornbread, but
yeah, I need like butter, and I need it to be warmer.
yeah. But that's like a meal in itself.
I know. I feel like if I finish it, I should be so full.
So we were sitting here for a few more minutes, and I think Francis changed his. I didn't eat any more of this cornbread. That's all him. What do you have to say?
It got better in the center. That's all I gotta say. I gotta stop eating it though.
The cornbread was hitting.
It's actually good.
Bye, Tiana. Thanks for the food. We'll make sure to write you a good Yelp review. And now, since we're over here, we are going to ride Haunted Mansion Holiday for the first time this year.
It wants me to stand in the sun.
Haunted Mansion Holiday, always a good time. Love how decorated it is outside. All right, time to answer the ultimate question. Is The Nightmare Before Christmas a Halloween movie or a Christmas movie? Both! See what the gingerbread house looks like this year. Oh, it's the ghost from the graveyard. He's so cute.
Wait, should I get this tag?
Oh, it smells so good in here. I wish you guys could smell it. Hi, Oogie. Are we gonna get the special one? No. Are they gonna get it? No. Oh, one off. Haunted Mansion Holiday complete.
So good.
Always a good time. Now we're gonna head back to the front of the park to see if we can spot some characters in their spooky time costumes. We're meeting Clarabelle. Hi, Clarabelle!
Listen, we were the first stop today. We saw the outfit online, and we were like, no, zoom it like you. Don't tell me
You
that,
too,
though.
you too, you too.
Oh, thank you. Oh my
You're looking
gosh.
good. You're like a full cobweb
No,
spider
literally,
queen.
She's serving witch realness.
We love it.
Honestly.
It looks like Goofy is just wandering around, which we love to see in his jester outfit. I love your costume, Goofy. You're looking really good, looking really snazzy. Good seeing you. Happy Halloween! We are actually gonna pop on over to DCA now because there's a party tonight, which means it closes at 6. So we're just gonna get a little time in
San Fransokyo.
before it closes. And we haven't gotten to San Fransokyo yet, so we're gonna do that. While we're over here, we decided we're gonna try to ride Monsters After Dark because since there's a party tonight, the park closes for us at 6 and it switches over at 3. So we have only the 3 to 6 window to ride it. Yes, we love to see it. We love frightening children. Monsters After Dark! I don't remember if I even rode it last season. It's been a while. That's a good one.
It's just always busy, that's why.
Yeah, it's always so long, but we went right at 3 when they did the switchover, so we waited like 30 minutes?
Probably even less.
Maybe even less. It was great. Good times. Obviously, we are coming in from the Cars Land entrance, not the bridge, and they have a sign for San Fransokyo Square!
Because we're coming off the highway.
Because we're coming from Cars Land.
Geniuses.
Exit 249. Do you think that's a reference to anything?
Maybe when it came out.
No. Look at them. Hiro and Baymax are out. We love them. And then right next to them we have the San Fransokyo Makers Market. Let's see what they got. Look at this cute little Baymax plush.
Okay, but you have to see
What do I have
the
to
dessert
see?
one.
Wait, they have desserts in here?
One. No.
Oh.
The dessert one.
Oh, the s'mores one. Yes, the s'mores.
I want
Baymax.
it.
Does it smell like s'mores?
Yes, it does.
Wait. It does not.
Yes, it does.
No, it doesn't.
No, it doesn't.
I'm a little confused because they have spider bots in here. Are they just pretending these are the microbots?
No.
Why is there spider bots here?
Because Baymax is Marvel.
Well, yeah, it's Big Hero 6 is Marvel, but like
MCU, baby.
just to have spider bots over here, just because Big Hero 6 is technology.
They're in desperate of selling. Okay.
LOL. Here is the whole San Fransokyo Bridge during the day, but I'm going to pop into Aunt Cass's and get one of the honey lemon lemonades. Inside Aunt Cass's, they have character posters of all the Big Hero 6 members and they're signed. That's fun. They also have this really cute Baymax sipper for like 19, almost 20 bucks, and it comes with a drink if you like sippers. I'm also obsessed with the Baymax bread. However, I've already been informed that they are sold out. It is 3 p.m. midday, and all the Baymax bread is sold out. So if you want Baymax bread, get here early. Okay, yeah, so we ended up getting both the honey lemonade, which comes with like 2 different types of boba, and then the fluffy Japanese cheesecake. Try the lemonade first. Huh?
Very lemonade-y.
Very lemonade-y.
Sour, hint of sweet, but not like...
Did you get the boba? The popping boba?
I don't really like popping boba, so I'm trying to avoid it, but I'll have it for the camera. Interesting flavors.
Really grapefruity. It's like a citrusy lemonade. Yeah, it's not a lemony lemonade. It's like a grapefruity, citrus-heavy lemonade, if that makes sense. I know lemon is a citrus too, but I feel like it's more on the grapefruit side. Now I'm gonna try this Japanese cheesecake. It's supposed to be very fluffy. It kind of looks like one of those Japanese pancakes. Cheers. It's honestly really shortcakey. It's like a cheesecake, but mixed with a shortcake. Really light. This is a good dessert.
Wow.
Yeah, it's like cheesecakey, but shortcakey at the same time.
Delicious.
But it's not super dense. It's very light.
Oh my gosh. I could keep coming back for this. This
Yeah.
is so good.
The BGM loop in San Fransokyo is kind of a bop. Francis just said he feels like he's in an anime.
Yeah. Closing title. This is closing title song. It's not opening credit song. Sorry.
All right, that is it from DCA because it is getting way too crowded in there because there is again a party tonight. So we are heading back over to Disneyland. I feel like it'll be more crowded over there too because everyone who has to leave DCA because it's closing for the party has to go to Disneyland now. So both parks will be crowded. I forgot more spooky characters are out during Halloween. Hello! Good to see you. Oh, the heart. I got it. We walked over here and look who came back out. Hi, Mickey! How's it going? You look so good. You look so Halloween-y. We love to see it. Can I take a photo with you? Let's do it. Hi, Minnie! Happy Halloween. You look so spooky. Wait, is that a bat on your bow? It is. You and Mickey are matching. I love the color scheme. You're looking good. Jafar is out too, but he's pretty Jafar away from us. He should be closer. All right, bye, Jafar.
delivery, bro.
Thanks. All right, you guys, that is it for our random exploration of Disneyland Day. We ate some food. We rode a ride.
characters.
A ride?
A ride, yeah. 2 rides.
What else did we ride?
Yeah. Mansion and Garden.
Oh yeah, we rode 2 rides.
Come on,
I don't
bro.
remember. Met some characters, spooky time.
A lot of characters.
Had a lot of fun times, but it is way too hot even for October.
I'm ready to take a nap.
We are done. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you guys real soon. Bye.